Hi guys, well, we're about ready to go inside. Here's Benjamin, welcome home. Okay, so here's our door. We're about to go inside and see the house for the first time. Alright. Look, we're home. Look at your home. It's beautiful and pretty. Wow. Can't believe you're home. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Wow. Put this down so you can look around. Wow. Here we are again. We're inside our new house. We're home, finally. We had a rough few days getting home, didn't we? Didn't we? Yeah. We have our little toy to play with, and our favorite blanket from Mommy, and our little mittens so we don't scratch our face. Wow, I can't believe it. Finally home. Alright, say goodbye.